Angelo S. Alvarez from 4SPB, and I am here to explain all about the 5 basic sentence patterns. The 5 basic sentence patterns are SIB adverb, STBDO, STBIODO, STBDOOC, and SLBSC. The SIB adverb. The intransitive verb needs an adverb to modify the verb. Examples: the audience laughed loudly. The man runs fastly. STBDO. The direct object is the part of the sentence which receives the action of a transitive verb. It answers the questions what or whom. Examples: the scientists performed an experiment. The dog catches the ball. STBIODO. The indirect object is a noun or pronoun or word affected by the action of the transitive verb, but not directly acted on by it. It answers the questions to whom or for whom. Examples: Tom wrote his mother a letter. The newsboy gave the man the newspaper. STBDOOC. The objective complement is an adjective or noun that follows the direct object and describe or rename it. Examples: he called the teacher a genius. The Filipino people called Janet Ling Napoles a pork barrel queen. SLBSC. The subjective complement is a noun, pronoun, or an adjective that comes after the linking verb. It refers back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: Nolly De Castro was a great news anchor. The comfort room smells stinky. I am a doctor.